I'm Scott with Marcs Mobility. Today we're unboxing the Dash 3 by Dashmoto, so stay tuned. We're here with the Dash 3 by Dashmoto. This is a very fast, lightweight portable scooter made out of carbon fiber, and it goes up to 18 miles an hour. So starting here, the unit's going to ship like this. I'm going to grab my knife and we're going to cut these straps. Make sure you cut upwards, don't cut into your box. From here, there's some tape on the side we're going to cut. Piece up front. And then we can just go ahead and lift our box open. So I'll kind of show you what I'm looking at. You should be able to see it yourself as well. But there's some packing material. We're just going to go ahead and remove that. So this is what the unit looks like inside the box. This was on the ground here. I don't think that's where that's supposed to go. I'm going to leave it for now. But what we want to do first is remove this Velcro, because we want this tiller to move out of the way so we can access the seat. Now what we're going to do, make sure this latch is undone. Then there's a silver tab right here. Now if it's hard to push in, you might have to just take some of the weight off. There we go. I pushed it down a little bit, and then that tab is very easy. That allows me to move this up and out of the way. I'm going to go ahead and lock it here. Now I'm going to move to the other side. That allows me to easily remove the seat. In here also, looks like we have a carrying case. Under here, it's empty. Then this looks to be our charger. Ooh. Yes, that is our charger. So now we're going to try and get it out of the box. There's two ways to do this. I believe this scooter only weighs 28 pounds in the frame. So what we can do, we can just lift it right out of the box if you're capable of doing that. But that's what I'm going to do. If not, what you could do, you could grab your knife, cut the sides of your box, and then roll the scooter out. That way you don't have to lift anything up if that is something you're not capable of doing. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and flip this back down. There's a little tab. We're going to push that in. That allows us to release it. Then this will fold down, and it kind of locks in place too, which is really nice with that silver tab that we went through earlier. And now, should be able to just lift it straight up. That is very light. So I have the unit out of the box. This piece right here goes onto the seat post. Like I said, I don't believe it's going to be loose during shipping. It should be right here. So I'll just go ahead and add that on. And now I'm going to take a moment. I'm going to clean up some of the packing material, get rid of some of this protective material as well. Then we will get to assembling the scooter. So here's all the pieces that come in the box. We have the main assembly right here. This is actually a basket. It's a rear basket that fits onto the back of the seat, so that's pretty cool. We have our seat here, and then we have our charger. So assembly is very easy on this. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take the seat. So now to put the seat in, first thing we're going to do is actually move the tiller up out of the way again. I did it this way so it was easier to lift up. But again, we'll push that silver tab in, bring it up, and then this latch will lock it in place. One quick thing I wanted to mention before we stick the seat on is this clamp that holds the seat down. You'll notice that the handle is actually angled. You want it aiming downward when we stick it on. If you have it the other way, when you go to latch it shut, it's going to hit the seat and it's not going to latch shut. So we want to make sure it's going to go this way. I'll show you in a picture overlay. So I'll make sure that's on. And it's just a normal latch. You can hand tighten the screw and then leave the latch open, tighten the screw. Now we'll slide the seat in. Like I said, it has a built-in connector, so you don't have to do any wiring. Once the seat's in, we'll just latch that latch shut, and that holds your seat in place. It's not going to go anywhere. Now here's our rear basket. It's got two straps here. So I undid one strap. I'm going to slide it through. Then I'll do the other strap again on this side. So it's got a little pad on it as well that covers the, so you're not sitting on the buckles. So another really cool design. And that gives you a nice lightweight rear basket. You don't have to have that on there, but I think it's a really cool addition. And then your charger can actually go in there too. So this is your battery here, located on the right side of the scooter underneath the seat. There's a little power button you can hold down and check the power gauge. This one's currently low. I could probably charge it. There's a little latch underneath you're going to flip up, and that allows the battery to come out. So here's your battery. Your charging port for the battery is right here. And I believe this is airline approved as well. We'll go ahead and slide this back in. And you'll hear a click, and then the battery is installed again. So this is the Dashmoto screen. I'm going to show you how to turn it on. Underneath here is actually the power button, right where my finger is. You're going to hold that, and you'll see the display light up. And then there are a few controls. So I'll start with right here. These are your lights. You push that button in, your lights will come on. This is your display. You've got time, battery indicator. There's 3 different settings. Well, actually there's 4. There's walk, cruise, and sport. And then there's a reverse setting as well. Down here it shows you how much range you have left. I need to charge this unit, so I only got about 2 miles. It shows you your trip and your total distance. Here are some of your controls. These are how you cycle between modes. There's an up and down arrow, so we're going to push the up. We're on cruise, so this has a higher max speed. Then finally, sport, which is the highest at the 18-mile-an-hour max speed. If I keep going down and I go past walk, we go to reverse. I press the center button, that's M. That gives you battery information. Press it again. This will give you your different ride modes and what you have done the most on this unit. Press it again, we go back here. In order to drive the unit, it works kind of like a motorcycle. You're going to pull this back and you see the unit try to move. So that's how you control your speed. It's not full throttle, it's however far you pull back. So if you don't pull it back all the way, you're not going to go to full speed. And your brakes are right here. This does not have electromagnetic brakes, so you let go, you're going to keep driving. That also means there's no neutral lever on this scooter. It just free rolls just like that. This has been the unboxing and assembly of the Dashmoto Dash 3 lightweight scooter. I really like this unit. I think it's built very well. It seems very sturdy and solid design, even though it weighs very little. Seems like the manufacturer put a lot of effort into the engineering of this. I'm very impressed with it. But this has been the unboxing and assembly. We're going to have a full review video as well. Check that link in the description. Go ahead and like and subscribe as well. It really helps out the channel. If you have any questions, visit us at marcsmobility.com or give us a call. Thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marcs Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.